So we want to create multi-view. Multi-view is the ability for you to be able to view all your sources or your scenes at the same time, even your preview and your program scene. So how to do that? You go over to your settings. You go to your settings. In your settings, you scroll down in general and come to this option where there is multi-view. Click to switch before scenes, show scene name, and draw save areas are all active. So your layout, this is where you choose what you want to see. So it's in horizontal top, 8 scenes. So it will be showing us 8 scenes, and it will be the preview and the program will be on top. That's what I mean by top 8 scenes. Horizontal bottom means the preview and the program will be on the under, while the scenes will be on top. The same thing with vertical left. Left means the preview and the program are on the left, and the scenes are scattered in squares on the right. The same thing, that's go so far and so forth. So when you have selected which that you like, you click on OK. So in OK, the next is now to go to views. In views, you now come here and you see what they wrote, multi-view full screen. So in multi-view full screen, you can now output your multi-view. Click here. If we are extended now, if you extended your display, that's Windows P, extend, you will see the TV or anything that is connected, any output that is connected to your laptop via HDMI. You output to that scene. That's where you can actually be using your laptop, but it will not be your multi-view. Everything will still be intact. And if you followed our tutorial and you created hotkeys for each camera scene, you see that you found yourself using a video switcher per se, because that is what OBS is built for, to be able to switch between sources as if you're using the actual machine, but this time around you're using your laptop as the machine. So that is it. So we create. So this is our scene. Let's keep it here. So here you see this is our camera 1, our icon. This is our camera 1 by name, camera 2, and camera 3. This is our preview, and this is how you'll be seeing it on the screen. That's how you'll be seeing it on the screen. So this is our icon, camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. Thanks for watching. This is Driym Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.